Hi, hello everyone. My name is Sanaa.
And I'm Idris.
My aspiration is to become a marine biotechnologist, and I am the mayor of this city called Sumatra.
We first made a map of our own city, Hyderabad.
Our challenge was to build a smart and sustainable city. So we started off with solar powered houses. So before we start, we're supposed to know all the different types of renewable energy. So on the first day, we made houses and painted them and attached solar panels on the roof on top. And we connected them with LED wires and went out and checked it out in the sun, and it worked.
After that, we decided that we would keep the second renewable energy, wind energy, in our city. To put wind energy in our city, we would need to install windmills. After that, we made windmills, connected all the wires and soldered them to the motor. After that, we went to the AC vent to see if it worked. It worked, and the LED bulb started glowing.
So we'll be showing how it works. You can see that the LED light is glowing. And this LED light will be connected to the street lights of our city. So the third one is hydroelectricity. So where do we get hydroelectricity from? So there is a water body in our city called Sumandra Pradesh River, and we attach a turbine in the river, which is a spinning wheel, and from the turbine you will be getting the hydroelectricity. And moving on to the rainwater harvesting house, since we have to even face the natural resources in our city too. So when the rainwater comes, there on the top of the roof there will be a waterproof clay, which Idris will be showing you guys right now.
When we started to make the city, we first planned where all the houses and the buildings would go. We thought that then we came to the decision that the schools, hospitals, and markets would be near the residential areas, so it would be easier for the people living there to go to the place they want to.
So, as I mentioned in the beginning that I wanted to become a marine biotechnologist. So, I will protect the river which is coming from Sumandra Pradesh to Sumandra, and from Sumandra to Sumandrabad, and the next city is Nayapalli. So I would put signs which says do not throw wastes in the water bodies and protect the sea life, water life.
My aspiration is to become a businessman. I want to provide more job opportunities in the city and improve the transportation in the city, like at an airport, a railway station, and metro in the city. So it would be easier to move around in the city and go to other cities or countries.
So I want to discuss the major problems we are having in our city. Is that people from our city are migrating to other places because they don't have enough study institutions. So in the upcoming year, we wanted to build a college.
You named your city as Sumatra. So, is there any inspiration there?
Yeah.
Something different?
So at the beginning, we had to do our individual maps, where I have chosen the name Kumandra, which is an inspiration from a movie called Raya and the Last Dragon, if everyone knows. And that's where people live together with all the other living beings, such as animals, plants, and birds. And
And I chose the name Sonic City. And then we combined both of our names to get Sumandra.
The experience has been nothing less than, like a fairy tale kind of an experience because I see Sana very confidently presenting
and I've always wanted her to be more independent and a lively girl. I know she's very friendly and like she deals with across with all her friends and all that. But seeing her confidently present, and that's a change which I'm seeing her the before and the after kind of a program, so which is lovely. And my personal experience though is that I can see that she can relate to the real time experiences, which is lovely. And kudos to your entire team for doing this activity. And I love it and wish you conduct more such kind of an workshops here in Hyderabad so that we parents get benefited. And thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Dr. Khushi Darastu. I'm father of Idris. So I would like to thank the Young Thinker team for providing a very good experience for my child for the smart city design and project. So he really got to learn a lot of things, especially about conservation of our natural resources. And he had been reading about things, but this was like a practical experience for him to understand about solar energy, to understand about wind energy and hydro energy, and bringing it into practical demonstrations as to how it really works in the real life. Thank you, Young Tanka team, and all the best to you all.